The very first time I got eczema, it was actually on my palm around this area. It started like just a really small dry area, and then it started getting bigger and bigger until it's like rotting with some pus and fluid to it. So it actually affected me a lot because it's on my hands, and like, you know, we do a lot of things using our hands. The oil actually helped to reduce like the itch, and it helps to moisturize, which is these two things that I really care about, because when these two things are being handled properly, right, then the redness will slowly reduce itself, and your eczema will recover. The very last time I got a full-fledged one was when I went to Korea, which was more than 7 months ago. So what I've been doing for the past 7 months is that whenever I feel that my eczema is coming, right, I will quickly apply the oil, and it will actually help to, you know, deter it from going full blown. I will recommend it because one thing is it's affordable. Secondly, is because it smells really good, and you know that the ingredients that they use is actually natural and not artificial. It wouldn't damage your skin, things like that. It's really good. So yeah, thank you, Nila. Bye.